I am Charles. Let me help guide you through the forest of saving money. Let my 32 years of failures and triumphs make your life easier. I'll give you 5 quick ways to save money here in 2022. So, grab a cup of coffee or some other drink, your tablet or old-school notepad and pen, and get ready to take some notes. I don't believe in a lot of fluff, so I'll get straight to the top 5. Number 5. Let your fingers do the traveling. Whatever you're shopping for, these items can be found online, whether it be food, clothes, cars, or houses. Let your fingers flip through and find the best deals before wasting your time and gas money. This stops you from going from place to place only to find they have nothing that you are very interested in. Number 4. Save money on fees and get higher interest rates. Online banking can save you hundreds if not thousands of dollars over a year, instead of using standard brick-and-mortar banks. Online banks can save you on fees and can give you higher interest rates. Online banks usually deposit your paycheck up to 2 days earlier than standard banks. Online banks will help you save money on loans by you having the money to pay them sooner. This will add up to saving hundreds if not thousands of dollars each year. Number 3. Save money on monthly cost. With the rising cost of everything today, saving a few dollars here and there can really help. When costs increase on everything from a soda to the house you are in, it is time to cut corners. Look at cutting costs on your car insurance, cable, internet, cell phone, health insurance, and any other monthly reoccurring cost. I was once told I was overpaying for my cell phone plan by $15 a month. I was never notified about the lower plan until I was going to leave them and go to a cheaper carrier. Number 2. Stay home and make your meals. Making meals at home will be fresher and better for you. You can regulate how much you make, so if it is just you or 10 people, this way there is no waste. There are cost savings in not having to travel somewhere to eat, overpaying for the service, and the poor health benefits of fast food. Number 1. Buying your next home with no money down. Looking for your next home? Don't have the money saved yet, but do have okay to good credit. Then you are in luck. There is a way to buy houses with no money down. That is right, no money down. It's just knowing how the house buying system works. You want the house that is not listed for sale yet. The savings from buying a house listed for sale and not yet on the market will save you thousands of dollars. Knowing how to get these savings will be the difference between keys to your new home or just keys to your next rental.